Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back. Today we have a Mask Monday and I'm going to give you a little update on where I've been and what to expect moving forward with my channel. And then go over some stuff some makeup stuff I got for Christmas. But if you want to hear me yammer and say a couple of makeup items, stick around.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Alright, this is Beauty Ninja Mask Monday, which means it is a collab. There are several ladies in the group. There's a playlist below with everybody on it, so go check them out and see what they have going on for their Mask Mondays. We have a couple of masks that I got when I went and hung out with my sister for my birthday. We have the Sephora Depuffing Anti-Fatigue Caffeine Masks for your little eyeballs. And my little eyeballs can use it. And then we have a Sephora Quenching and Plumping Effect Watermelon Extract Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid for the face. So we're going to put those on. Got them bad boys on. Now for those really smell so good. Oh, please tell me it smells like watermelon. Maybe faintly. It's kind of a not so much kind of situation. It is. Wow. Very wet. Alright, let me grab let me get this on real quick and then I will be right back. Alright, we have our face mask on, a little Edgar suit mask on. I don't think I'm ever going to not call it an Edgar suit mask. And if you know where that came from, yeah, we're friends. It's automatic, it's the law. Alright, so where I've been. I have an autoimmune disease, or diseases. Now, they did some testing, and they found genetic markers for what is something called alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, and it affects the liver and the lungs. Mine isn't damaging my liver or my lungs yet, so that's good. It's messing with my ability to like stay awake. My white blood cell count just goes through the roof and then I can't stay awake. I sleep all night. I get up, take my son to school, and then I come home and I go back to sleep and I sleep all day and I wake up and I get my son from school and I come home and I cook dinner and eat dinner and then I go back to bed and I sleep all night. And that's pretty much what my days have been like for the past few months. They also found autoimmune hepatitis. And with autoimmune hepatitis, it's like hepatitis, except for it's not viral. Like, I can't give it to anybody, and I didn't get it from somebody. It's an autoimmune disorder where my body's like, surprise! It's a special gift for you! And it's not even your birthday. I'm starting to get my energy back. So I'm starting to make videos again. I do have a new fun symptom, and I don't think it's related to my autoimmune disorders, whatever. And that is vertigo. And the last time that I had vertigo that was like this, it went away when I got neck surgery done. I had a herniated disc. I have degenerative disc disease in my neck and my back, and so that just kind of does what it's going to do. And so I have an MRI coming up, and so what I'm hoping is that I can get some pre-filming done. Now, I probably will not make all the videos I was making. I am going to do Mask Mondays because if I didn't continue the story, probably Sue would have a conniption fit. I really want to, finish sharing the story because I really enjoyed the story. So we're going to do that. Now, I am stepping back from Shady Friday for now. I have some videos that I pre-recorded. I recorded months and months ago. One of them went up Saturday for Single Lady Saturday. I recorded that sometime around September. So I have other videos that I am going to edit and put up. And I don't know what videos I am going to put up aside from Mask Monday. But I am going to put up some videos. So that's what my plan is for now, moving forward. I'm going to try to do videos that I can pre-film. Like, I can do a Mask Monday every day. I can sit down when I get home from dropping my son off at school and record a Mask Monday, and I got, you know, all I have to do is edit at that point. And on days where I'm feeling a little better, I might be able to put on some makeup or whatever and pre-film some of that stuff. So I'm going to do what I can. I don't know if they're going to be doing surgery on my neck to fix the neck problem or not, but it is what it is. We're going to do what we need to do. So I did want to go over some stuff that I got for Christmas that wasn't part of the Secret Santa. So from my husband, I received some stuff. I didn't really ask for makeup this year from my husband. It was kind of, I have makeup. I have like all the makeup, I swear. I don't really need any makeup. So it was kind of a surprise that he got me any makeup. I did ask for some nail art brushes. And that is because I got some nail stuff and I was just like, okay, well, you know, I'll do my own nails. I do them how I want to do them. And then I don't have to worry about having to pay somebody else to do them because I don't really have the money for that. So these are the brushes, and there you have a very fine tip, and that's just for like nail art. And they're all different sizes. So we got short ones and long ones, and I am excited to try those out when I am feeling better. Alright, and then in my stocking he put in a NYX Professional Wonder Stick, dual-ended cream blush stick. And I love cream blush. These are the colors. Light peach and baby pink is the shades. So we have the light peach, I think. That would be that. Well, one of them's light peach and one of them's baby pink. But either way, I like it. I will try it out. And then he got me a Juvia's Place lipstick, and this is from the Berries collection, and it's the shade Drama Queen. That's a nice vampy lip. And then he got me this Natasha Denona Mini Starlit palette, and I don't have very many of the mini Natasha Denonas. I have the ones that are a little bit bigger than this, the 5 pans that are bigger than this. But I am excited to add that to my collection. And then my mother-in-law got me some stuff. She got me some brushes. This is an e.l.f. Total Face Brush. I love e.l.f. And this would be good for traveling too, because it's not so big. And then she gave me this Face Visage Mineral Brush. And that looks like that. That's another travel brush. And then she got me this cup. This is in my Christmas era, filled with e.l.f. palettes. So we're going to go through these. This is the Nude Rose Gold. These are the Perfect 10 eyeshadow palettes. This is the Nude Mood. The Everyday Smoky. That's pretty. And then Keep It Ethereal. And then I have some little bite-size palettes. This is I Love You a Latte, Cream and Sugar, and rose water. And then last but definitely not least, she got me this makeup mirror, which I thought was really cool. And you can plug it, I can plug it into my laptop, and I could drop stuff. Alright, and it comes with little paperwork. It's got a little round 10x mirror with the little suction cups on the back. And then this is the base and the mirror itself here. It's got a spot back here for 4 AAA batteries in case you are on the go and cannot plug it in. And then the plug here for the lights. And then this is the mirror. We have a regular mirror here, regular mirror here. This is a 2x mirror and a 3x mirror. Now I have one that is sort of like this, that I received in as a secret Santa gift from Just Jessica, that I have in front of me on my desk. It's kind of nice that I have another one that I can put up there to keep it company. And it lights up as well. The same as this middle mirror here. So the one that Jessica got me is not, it doesn't have these flaps that close. And I use the one that Jessica got me all the time. It sits right in front of me on my desk. Right here. And so I know that I will love this mirror too. So I think that I'm going to kind of put this in front of me and then put the one that she got me right off to the side here. So another big change to my channel before I go. I'm going on a no buy this year. I need to pay off some medical bills and just kind of get some financial stuff in order, and I don't need to buy anything. I have enough makeup to last me years before I would have to buy new makeup. I have plenty of foundations to review. I have plenty of palettes. And if I want a new palette, maybe I'll ask my husband to buy it for me. But I just personally, out of my own wallet, I am not going to be buying anything. There are some things that I would buy if I had to. And that is lashes, which I seriously doubt I'm going to have to buy lashes, and skincare. But I doubt I'm going to have to buy skincare either. So there's that. So that's what I'm looking at this year, is being on a no buy. There is one exception. When Singe Beauty opens back up, I'm going to buy the palettes that she has on her site, because I have not gotten to try any of her palettes yet, and I really, really want to. And I was going to buy them before the year ended, but she closed down her shop, and I thought, okay, well, I'll just buy them when she opens back up. And then I was like, oh, well, you know what? It'd be really great if I didn't leave stuff on my swatches on my arms here, my hands. But the plan was to buy those palettes anyways. I just didn't get the chance to before she closed for the end of the year. And so when she opens back up, I will grab those palettes. But that's it. I don't need to buy every brand new palette. I would really love to have brand new palettes all the time, just because, you know, shiny pretties. But honestly, really, I don't need anything. I don't need anything. I really don't. So, no buy. Now you're gonna have to help me with that. So, don't send me new posts about all the pretty new releases that I don't get to have, because it's just not going to help. And if your plan is to sabotage me, don't do that. I got stuff I got paid for. But, yeah, I'm going to focus on my health. I'm going to focus on my finances and getting those squared away. And then maybe next year we will, you know, start buying new stuff. But I don't really need anything right now. I just don't. I have a whole bunch of stuff behind me that I haven't gotten to use. I have a whole bunch of stuff behind me that I'm about to tape for a haul. Because, yeah, I did some shopping but I didn't feel good. So, yeah. So I don't need to buy anything. So moving forward, we're going to do a no buy, and wish me luck, because I do be trouble. Big trouble. Alright, so like I said, this is a collab with the Beauty Ninjas. There's a link in the description box for the playlist. Go check out the other ladies, see what they have going on for their Mask Mondays. Next week, I will start back with the book and continue with that story. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. Let me get these off, because I was forgetting. Oh, that felt really good under my eyes. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the